with roll number 39965. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Jenny Puna Anib, single, 32 years old, high school graduate from Butuan City School of Arts and Trades. We are 10 siblings and I am the youngest. I have 3 kids. The oldest is 12 years old, the second is 7 years old, and the youngest one is 2 years old.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong for my family's needs and for the future of my kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have been experienced here in Philippines. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning their house, cooking, ironing, laundry, and also take care of their kids.
How long you worked there?
Almost 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
No, but if you're giving me a chance, I'll be willing to learn.
What can you do for elderly? If ever.
I will take them food, take them medicine, and take care of the old one.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies and children?
I'm changing diaper, feeding the bottle, and feeding them.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
Cleaning, cooking like menudo, adobo, apitada, and also Chinese foods like siomai, like chop suey.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am responsible, honest, and hardworking person.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I am saying sorry for them.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as own family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Ma'am and sir, if you're giving me a chance, I will do my best. I will do my duty. I am responsible and honest person. And I finish my 2 years contract. And if you're willing me to extend, and I am willing. Thank you and God bless.